First of all, I imported the necessary libraries, and I just give my data set, and I check the info, how many null characters are there, and I check the describe, count, mean, standard deviation, and I check the shape of the data, and I just found that value comes how 0 is 284,315 and 1 is 492. Here I plotted a graph which says that how many normal card transactions are and how much fraud detection over that, and I check the null characters over there in the dataset and duplicate columns, and I just fit transform using standard scalar and xy correlation matrix. So here see x and y, I just drop the class because class is not needed, class is for prediction, so I just give that in y. And correlated matrix, I just say data dot core of. See a plot dot figure, I just point core matrix so that it's clearly we can see here the heat map. How this is in center, I can get 1.00, 1.00, 1.00. Which state it is good. X underscore 10, now here I done the train test split operation. So it's split based upon 80% train, 20% for testing. And train underscore data set is train underscore data set. I just join that to x underscore 10, y underscore 10, and I say as train underscore data set, and just print that. Here I just build a logistic regression model, and I fit x underscore 10 and y underscore train. And I predict the model or predict of x underscore test, and I just predict the model y underscore predator, and I just check it as checking the accuracy. It is well and good. So I am here giving a def train underscore model. This here I am building a function for training my model. So in this function I have for name comma model in classifier dot items. As per here classifier we have logistic regression, decision tree, random forest. So I just give that, and y underscore pred I am just printing the model, and I am fitting the model, and I find the const matrix and just printing that accuracy classification report ROC score. Everything is come under the function, and I am also plotting the ROC curve. You can see here everything is at an accuracy one and precision one, right? And I'm giving normal fraud to variables because normal carries where data of class is equal to 0, and fraud carries where data of class is equal to 1. So check when we check this two, normal transaction shape is much bigger than fraud detection. So sometimes our model can be favorable for any one. So here I am doing undersampling. In undersampling, I'm just reducing the normal transaction, which is equal to the for transaction. So I just see the shape of two normal transaction for transaction 492,31. New underscore df, new underscore df. I'm just concatenating that, and now I am having my new underscore df over here, and I am just printing ahead of it. In new underscore df, I am just counting the value count, which is same. So here I'm just now I am again splitting the data and training the data, and I just pass to my train underscore model, which is my function, so that returns the value answer over here. See that it's well and good, and accuracy is good, and model trained well. Similarly, I'm doing oversampling using Smart. Using Smart, I just have done oversampling that I'm increasing the fraud detection data, which is very equal to the normal data. So see here, class 0284315, which is normal data, 1284315, which is a fraud data. Is the same, right? And now I'm training model, and again I am passing that to my data set where that's my model, yeah, my function. So I'm just passing that through again through my function. So see here, I'm get the precision score and ROC curve, everything is fine. And I'm building a random forest model, and I just fit the model, and I am uploading my model using joblib, and I'm loading the data loading. I'm just load that my model to that joblib, which create a credit and score card model ram1, which is created in my directory. And here pred, I'm using pred, I'm just predicting the model, it's a normal transaction or fraud transaction. So I'm just passing the data set. See, I'm just passing the data set, and if pred is equal to 0, it's a normal transaction, else it's a fraud transaction. So after checking that, it is predicted that it's a normal transaction. That's it.